Visual scan is complete out there. Okay, means that you guys are up and out of here. Enjoy your ride over skyscraper.
Welcome to the skyscraper. What's the interest in opens? Please board up your size. Please take your spellings, take all those articles such as hats, cameras, box, etc. Any article that cannot fit securely in your pockets must be left in non-matter place whose article is located and that can be seen. Let's see, buckle in your seatbelt and match your posture. Please note that in order to ride, you must be 48 inches. Riders between 44 and 48 inches must be moving by the neck. Please keep in mind, throwing up items while on riding is strictly prohibited. Violators will be ejected from the car without a refund. Once seated and properly restrained, keep your back against the seat with the arms down, holding onto the bar at all times. Are you ready to soar 242 feet in the atmosphere and reach speeds over 40 miles per hour? You'll be sure to have a scream-defying ride. Thank you and enjoy your ride here on the Sky Screamer. Welcome back, riders. Hope you enjoy.
Visual scan.
Stop and your seat.
Okay.
Come up with full restraints. Your belongings and basic toward the other gentlemen. All guests waiting for other party members must be off the ride platform outside the exit gate. Thank you for riding the skyscraper. And enjoy the rest of your day here at Six Flags Great Adventure, where every moment is.
Mama,
adventure. Don't forget, you can come back and have $6 all
Okay,
season
next
long.
is Thank you.
Welcome to the skyscraper. Once the entrance gate opens, please board onto your assigned seat.